Kali Linux has been the go-to OS for ethical hackers and penetration testers for years, but in 2025, is it still the best tool for the job? Or has it fallen behind? Welcome to HowToLiterally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're reviewing Kali Linux to see if it's still a smart choice for cybersecurity professionals, hobbyists, or students in 2025. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distro packed with over 600 security tools from Wireshark to Metasploit, and it's still being actively maintained by offensive security, which means you're getting regular updates and bleeding-edge tools. The 2025 version runs smoother than ever, supports both ARM and x86 platforms, and even includes a non-root mode by default, making it more versatile and secure for daily use. Whether you're booting it on bare metal, using it in a VM, or carrying it on a USB, Kali remains lightweight and efficient. So is Kali Linux still worth it in 2025? Absolutely, if you're serious about security, penetration testing, or learning ethical hacking. Thank you for watching HowToLiterally, and see you in the next one.